What's up, man? We're gonna play some PUBG on the Redmi Note 9 Pro right now. So I'm gonna put it on high graphics. Right now I'm using the Digi remote, which is gonna, I don't know. A lot of people cheat in this game, so I figured I would cheat back. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this. So let me just wait for it to load. It's loading up right now. Oh wait, I just had to press that. I'm gonna go into settings right now, so I could just set it to the highest settings right now. So they have a new layout right now, so it's a little confusing. Here it is. And go to graphics, and you can see it's on ultra right now. I might just keep it like that because, yeah, that's like the highest frame rate. And then we're gonna go ahead and jump into a game. I have the trigger button, I think, back here. Controls right here. This hand I'm just gonna use to navigate. Let's go ahead and see how this works. I hate this beta version. This thing doesn't seem stable. Let me see. That's to stand up. I could squat with that button. What did I make this button for? Sprinting. Oh, that's actually comes in. Let me unfollow these cats. We're gonna go right now. I guess they're following me. Oh no. They just jumped. Are they with me? They're like right next to me. That's crazy. Let me see. Alright, so these graphics look really good. Let's land right here. Well, that was a hard landing. He would have broke both his legs if that was real life. Okay, so let's go in here. There's a lot of vests in here. Nothing but vests, but no guns. I hear guns already. You can see the frame rate is really fast on here, so definitely really good frame rate on here. Still looking for a gun. So I'm really impressed with the frame rate. There hasn't been one lag yet. So far this is really good gameplay, guys. Yes. Oh snap, I'm back. Alright, so now I just need like a medical kit and I'll be back. When it comes to Fortnite, you can see we have medium and low to choose from, 30 frames and 20. So we're gonna put it at medium. Okay, we're gonna get into a little Fortnite and see how it holds up here. Let's go ahead. Drop off of the plane, head toward the island over here. And first thing we're going to be doing is getting some weapons. That's the main thing. We'll go over here. A couple of buildings over here. Okay, so this looks really smooth so far. Let's see. Okay, that's one kill. So this does play really smooth. I haven't seen any stutters so far. It's pretty much playing like an entry level mid-range flagship right here. If you could play Fortnite here, really smooth. Speakers sound really loud as well. Controls feel really comfortable. As well. So we're gonna jump into a little bit of Call of Duty Mobile, so I can show you the graphics on that as well. But you can play this on pretty much really nice frame rate, 30 frames per second, and medium. Alright, so we're gonna see right here, if we go to graphics audio, we're on very high graphics for the graphic quality. As far as frame rate, it's at high. It says for better experience, put on max, but it goes to very high. You can put it on high and max. So let's keep it at that one right there. And then let's just click play and see how good the frame. Oh, snap. I was late. I haven't played this game in a mindo.
Hunter killer drone deployed. Friendly predator missile inbound. Kill confirmed. It's empty.
Okay, so far I'm really enjoying it. Everything looks good so far. Nothing to complain about. Oh snap. Alright, so we're about to wrap this up. Wow.
Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy shield turret deployed. Friendly sentry gun deployed.
Alright, so let me just see where these guys are. Wow. Alright, so yeah, the gameplay is really good. Definitely would say this is probably one of the best gaming devices for the price that you can actually get. This is the Redmi Note 9 Pro gaming, and I hope you guys have found it helpful. I'll see you guys later, but in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, later, crew. Peace.